I should give review.
Yes, of meat pie produced by your wife. Baby, you're proud of your wife,
I'm
Abby.
proud, super proud of you. Not even, I'm super proud of you. This is the best so far I've tested.
Yummy.
This is, what do they call it? What do they call it? Fish.
Meat pie.
Meat pie. This
Yes.
is meat pie. This is product from my wife.
Yes,
Auntie
product
Coca.
knowledge.
This is a product from my wife. Patronizer, you're going to love this.
Am I doing meat pie?
In fact, no, they will start patronizing, will start doing it. I've seen that you've known how to do it very well. This is delicious. Yummy.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I'm blessed.
Rasa. Happy Sunday, sir.
How far?
Afai, sir.
You're good.
Adu masa. Sir.
You want some?
You come.
I'll take it now.
Thank you, sir.
Vepam. Ọkọ pé na fún this one.